Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to turn off notifications on Evony. So let's get started. First, launch open your Evony application and then make sure that you are logged into the main home page. After you are logged into your main home page, tap on the three dots located at the bottom right. In the pop-up, tap on Settings. Now, click on the Notifications button under Languages. Make sure to disable all of the buttons in order to turn off notifications from following menu. After you do that, you will no longer receive any notifications from Evony. There's another way you can turn off notifications. Go ahead and tap Open Settings from your iPhone. From the Settings menu, tap on Notifications. Scroll all the way down from the Notifications tab and tap on the Evony app. Once you see this kind of an interface, toggle off the button right next to Allow Notifications and you'll be able to turn off any notifications from the following app. That is how you can easily turn off notifications on Evony on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.